So this is our upcoming Chinese museum here in Cebu City. And it will be open on October 15 during the Gabi sa Kabilin, but it will soon one of the landmark that you can see here in the heart of downtown Cebu City. They have lights that make it more attractive at night. We are on our way now to Carbon Market, Eileen, Susan, and Jonathan, because that's when a lot of fresh vegetables will be coming from the mountain farms to Carbon Market. So this is the best time to get your fruits and vegetables actually, because 1, no traffic, 2, less crowd, 3, it's not so hot. And also you can haggle the prices because you're dealing direct with small farmers from the mountain farms, province farms. You know, the municipalities are coming down at night to display their stock because, you know, Carbon Market is operating for 24 hours. So that's our city hall. And this is our Santo Niño Chapel here in downtown Cebu. It's all well lit up. And they're trying hard to keep it clean. And across is with the building of Puso, a food park here in Carbon Market. So that's the city hall at night. You can see less traffic, less crowd. And you can also see some of the people that's working at night. Working girls, working men, as around the corners as well. So we are now entering Carbon Market. That's our Cebu City Treasurer's office. Carbon Market, it's now 9 o'clock in the evening and we are just entering it. So you see, there's still a lot of display and a lot of food. You know, food stalls and food kiosks that you can eat here in Carbon. There, Susan is haggling on those ones that on sacks. I've noticed there's a lot of carrots this time, but it's local carrots. Dalin. Pilang kilo? Local mong carrots, no? Dalawa ka ito imported. Oo. Lagi? There's 80. Garlic, 80. So this is the life here in Carbon Market. It's still open till midnight and then next day. So this is what Susan wanted, is to come here at night when it's not traffic, when it's not hot. And you can see stalls of food almost every corner. We just passed by some. But trouble is, like, you can't go on transport. Public transport is like very limited at night. So you have to be going in here with your own transport, either motorbike or a multi-cab like that, waiting for their passengers. So this one, you could also see people even at late night as this, still selling their gadget. Eileen is buying a headset for her phone at 50 pesos each. You know that it's not the original one, but they think about, like, as long as it works. So they're not concerned about the brand, the originality, as long as it works. Pado nga kauli yaw, nanindar gyapon kaya. I said that he's roaming around here in Carbon Market until 10 p.m. Then he goes back home. Pero mag-start sa kaya?
Alas 7 gabi po.
So he's just only selling at night because he got another day job that he's like a security personnel. So after the security job, he will do her route of route of this selling gadgets here in Carbon Market. So the streets are all filled up with vendors without being restricted. So they display all their stuff. And here are the spices area. And this is how they prepare the Baguio beans. Tanawa ko tihati. Ba, kanang kwan? So continuing on, the market's still alive. A lot of people selling sayote. Sometimes Susan will ask for the price and then buy it when you go back to where we park. Otherwise, we'll be lugging it around us and it becomes so heavy. Pila? Sitting usa? So it's only 7 pesos each. Kani, talong na po eh. Another talong. 50. 100. Sayote, pila dong? 5 pesos raw. Sayote at 5 pesos. Lagi. Ito rin mong kuha ng tawgi. You know, the bean sprouts are really nice here. And ang kalbasa, barato diri dapita. Ito. And the squash. Unsa kini siya san? Dabong? Nalawa nang naghugas sa tawgi. Nahutdan ka dong. Nakainom-nom just dudong nato siya san. So the bean sprouts are already sold out. There you go. This is the squash haven. This is where a lot of squash, and they are a lot cheap than the other side. There we continue on. A lot of vendors still. This is the most display of vegetables I've seen around here at night. Pila kang repolyo? O pa kay repolyo sa pa kay ka sibuyas. I said to Susan, you don't have. Unsa nga ani? Ah, sangig. Ah, okay. Unsa? Ah, Mamang Marvin. Oh. So, Jonathan knows someone here then. So, loads. Da, pipino mo, Aileen. Balik lang kay bugat kay dalun. Pilang kilo nate? 40. Balik lang kay bugat kayo. So it's just mostly vegetables. Bananas and fruits. Nga buwad yun. This is buwad means dried fish. So this is one of Susan and Jonathan's bestseller are the appetizer. Appetizers like hipon, salted shrimps. This is the original color, and then you can have the what we call mouse, which is already been like a bit old and stinky, and all you have that is the most favorite one for eating green mangoes. The color is so dark pink, and then you got the light pink salted shrimp and also the lighter pink salted shrimp. And these are the salted anchovies or ginamos or natural color. So different flavor. You got this very tiny anchovies, baby ones, and that's the clams. Api sa kana?
Lakin maliit man.
Naagin na kundi kita na lang mga lamo yan. So Susan's want to try selling the clams because last time we were here, all of it is sold out because it's a favorite of Filipinos. Sometimes they mix it with vegetables. Sometimes they eat it direct with their rice. Jonathan, ang mga ice bucket preparation. I was saying to Jonathan that prepare the ice bucket. It really stink. I honestly say I'm not a fan of this kind of food because of the stink. When I was a young girl, my mother only mixed it with vegetables, so we don't really eat it direct because we can't afford meat before, so we just have this salted stuff. So here are the housewares, house stuff, and on the left side, noodles, iba, eggs. So Jonathan's there. Then all the live chicken. Dako kayong ilaga. It's just a big rat that just crossed over. Oh. But it's common with markets. The fish area is already clear. Unsa na? Sago. Balik lang ta. Because Irene is also buying stuff for their own use. Mostly here, they're already retail. So that's not like the wholesale per kilo one. Ah! I say that because a rat just passed by my feet. I don't want to move, he might bite me. These are the retail side that you only buy a few, like a pack of soy sauce, hot dogs. Naon. My God, naon. Chicken siomai na on the fridge. Chicken hot dog eh. O palitan ko to akong mga egg. Kuan. My dogs. I'll cook it immediately. I won't be taking it so long. Pila ni te? Pila ga? 48. So I'll cook it for my dogs. Or chicken tocino. Unsa kini siya? Corned beef, you know? Corned beef. French fries, corned beef, pork, longganisa.
Kanila mo, katong ganado mo ko.
Sisig. Chicken cheesy chicken roll. So continuing on, you can see it's all cleared now. It's not so traffic, but there's still a lot of vendors to make it alive, to make it worth coming here. So these are the rice prices. And Susan is buying mungo beans. Pila?
Miracle.
Wonder. Wakay Wonder man to yung palit sa una. Wonder man tong last time is the Wonder ang brand.
So yan, Miracle.
Pila ang kilo aning Miracle te? 50 pesos per kilo for the mungo beans. And they get some spring roll wrapper. Unsalted, because this is what I don't like with this spring roll wrapper. Like this is very salty, but this is unsalted. Dilit ta kay madagma niya ta.